Welcome, Coaster Spotters, to construction update number 3 of Candymonium and Chocolatetown Hersheypark's 2020 editions. We're starting at the storage lot, so let's go ahead and take a look. First thing we can see is they have obviously now topped off the lift hill, 210 feet tall. We'll go ahead and get some other views of this after we leave the storage lot. Alright, not much difference. Just a lot more track loaded up on the trailers to be shipped down and installed on the coaster. Let's go ahead and go down to Chocolatetown and check out all the progress for this week. Alright, we are now over at Chocolatetown. As expected, the walkway is closed a little bit earlier than I was expecting. I was hoping for after Candy Lane, but nope. So our access is going to be a little bit more limited now. We still can get some nice views, so let's go ahead and check it out a little bit closer. And if you are coming for Christmas Candy Lane with the path, the temporary path that was used all summer and spring and for Halloween, now closed, you will be entering by the Claw, which is actually where the employees typically enter. There will be a temporary gate set up over there, which is opening tonight. So, not sure how I'm going to be getting to Candy Lane. If I do, it will be in a month. There will be a tram stop over there, so you can stop at Chocolate World or over at that temporary gate. So it looks like they've started to enclose their workspace for winter. Today it's about 30-something degrees, so it is getting cold, but yeah, they've pretty much enclosed the entire thing and are getting towards doing the final facade on the main building of Chocolatetown. It's starting to look fantastic. Also, now that this temporary gate is closed, they have now demolished the remaining buildings from the original gate, which include the ticketing and the wheelchair / stroller rental building. So it is definitely moving along. With that building gone, it definitely gives us a great look at the new buildings going up. Definitely an improvement over the 1990s buildings, I want to say they were. Or they were late 80s. I forget when they built that new entrance, which is now the old entrance. If you didn't know, Hersheypark's entrance used to be up by Kissing Tower, and that is why the monorail used to have a stop up there. So we now can obviously get another look from over here of that lift hill now finished. It is definitely looking fantastic. So 2 weeks ago, they had a bunch of tracks staged up here. They are definitely using this as a staging area for pre-assembling supports and whatnot. Looks like they have a couple of supports up for the bottom of the drop, if I were to guess. Couldn't be anything else. So in our last update, we saw them installing the steel for this building, and now they are starting to put the roof on it as we speak. Looks fantastic. Such an improvement over that last one. I love Hershey's carousel. It is a beautiful Philadelphia Toboggan Company carousel. But the building they had in it left more to be desired for sure. So this looks like it's going to be a way more of a classic old style, where they went with a more modern look when they rebuilt it with the last new gate that they built. And the station looks like it's getting more walls and a little more complete. They have taken down the sign, but I'm still going to say it. Candymonium. Not much change to the Helix area though. It's looking about the same. Probably less supports, but definitely not more. So, looks like they're just staging the supports elsewhere. Right over by the turnaround footers are more supports. This here is the bottom of the first drop, and the supports on the right are for the return run, which will lead into that helix, which I am still loving. Getting those bolts ready for supports. I'm assuming that this view will look very different in 2 weeks. Once they get that first drop up, this thing's going to go up very, very quickly. Not sure what's going on with this support, if it was even there, if they're redoing it. I'll have to check the footage and I'll make a note of it. Very odd that they're pouring this one though. Here we can see the bottom and the top of the drop. So this one's actually going to be quite steep. Should look fantastic. Oh, very nice. Looks like they're starting to lift another piece. Right. Here's an alternate view of Chocolatetown. We can finally see what the finished product of the main building in Chocolatetown will look like. Lots of brick, looks very nice, very classic. Candymonium. And because I know y'all love Sky Rush, so there it is. Still looking fantastic after, what, 6 years? Paint is really held up. I don't believe they painted it. There we go, another piece in place. And with that, let's recap everything for construction update number 3. More buildings from the old gate have been demolished. Chocolatetown is coming along very nicely with outer facades starting to be completed, interior being built out. Candymonium's lift hill has of course been completed, now with the 210-foot mark reached. The bottom of the first drop has been put in, and they are working their way backwards from the helix all the way to the turnaround. So next update will be in 2 weeks, so stay tuned for that. Check out that playlist, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and comment below. See you next time. This has been Alex.